You have a degree, a good job, a Pinterest board full of financial goals, and somehow you're still 3 days away from payday eating cereal for dinner. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Being broke isn't always a sign that you're not smart. Sometimes it's the opposite. Smart people have very specific, very sneaky habits that keep them financially stuck, and they don't even know it. I'm talking about the woman who can explain cryptocurrency to her confused uncle at Thanksgiving, but hasn't started her Roth IRA. The one who scored 1,500 on her SAT, but has $47 in savings. Yeah, we need to talk. Stay till the end, because I'm going to tell you the 5 main reasons that prevent you from making more money. Before we move on, if you want to learn more about money in simple terms without any jargons nor complex concepts, please subscribe to my channel. I am a mom who has spent way lot of time learning about money, and this is the place where I share everything that I have learned about it. Okay, so reason 1. They overanalyze everything and do nothing. Smart people love research. Bless their hearts. They spend 4 months reading about index funds, watching YouTube videos, highlighting passages in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and then do absolutely nothing. This is called analysis paralysis, and it's basically the financial version of standing in front of your closet for 45 minutes and then wearing the same jeans you always wear. Here's the real tea. A mediocre plan that you start beats a perfect plan that lives in your Notes app forever. The market doesn't care how many podcasts you've listened to. It rewards people who actually show up. A simple $50 a month into an index fund beats 3 years of researching the perfect time to invest. Just start. Messy action beats perfect inaction every single time. So, what's reason number 2? They upgrade their lifestyle every time their income increases. Raise at work? Amazing! New apartment, new car. Somehow an espresso machine you didn't know you needed. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is sneaky. Because it feels like you're treating yourself, which you deserve. But here's what's actually happening. You are running faster on a treadmill that doesn't move. Think of your income like a bucket of water. A smart person with lifestyle inflation has a bucket with holes. More water comes in, but it's draining out just as fast on designer shoes and investments in scented candles. The trick? When you get a raise, act like you didn't. Put the extra money to work before your brain even knows it exists. Your future self will thank you. Your present self might sulk for a week. That's fine. So, what's next? Reason 3. Smart people trade time for money and call it security. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your salary is not an asset. It's a rental agreement. Your employer is renting your time, and when the rent stops, whether from layoffs, illness, or one bad performance review, the money stops too. Smart people know this, and yet they spend 100% of their energy optimizing the rental agreement instead of building something they own. Imagine you were a talented baker. You could spend your whole life working in someone else's bakery, getting good wages, benefits, a nice apron. Or you could spend a little time on the side learning to sell your own cookies online. Suddenly, the cookies work while you sleep. Your cookies. No one can lay off your cookies. You don't have to quit your job. But you do need income that doesn't require you to show up somewhere with a lanyard. Did you guys get that? Then let's move on to reason number 4. We are socialized, especially as women, to treat money like it's rude to discuss. Asking for more in a salary negotiation feels aggressive. Talking about investing with friends feels braggy. Asking someone what they charge feels nosy. Meanwhile, the people building wealth, they're talking about money all the time. They're asking questions. They're negotiating without apologizing. They're learning from people who know more than them. Here's the thing about asking for a raise. The worst they can say is no. That's it. No one has ever been fired for politely asking for more money. But thousands of smart women have left millions of dollars on the table just because it felt awkward. Your comfort zone is costing you money, sis. Make it awkward. Ask the question. Negotiate the rate. You can cringe later, at your beach house. And now, we come to the last one. Reason 5. This one is going to hit different, so take a breath. Smart women are incredible supporters, amazing cheerleaders. You share your friends' businesses on Instagram. You buy from everyone's small shop. You show up. You hype. You contribute. And somehow, when it comes to your goals, your idea, your side hustle, suddenly you're full of reasons why now isn't the right time. The economy is bad. You don't have enough experience. What will people think? You have invested time, energy, and actual money into 10 other people's dreams, and your own dream is still sitting in a Google Doc from 2021 titled Ideas. Maybe someday. Here's the plot twist. You are the investment you've been overlooking. Your skills, your ideas, your business, these deserve the same energy you give everyone else. Stop being a venture capitalist for other people's lives while your own is underfunded. And that's a wrap. If this video spoke to your soul or your bank statement, share it with a smart friend who needs to hear it. And drop in the comments, which reason hit hardest? I already know what most of you are going to say.